Come, please. Wait. No woman. So in my next life, what will I be now? Thank you so much. It is great. It is with great pleasure and gratitude that I welcome you all to this remarkable event organized by Princess Dr. Chetachi Nwoga Ecton in collaboration with Nigerian Non-Governmental Association for Literacy Support Services. Today's initiative, the Early Christmas Giveaway and Educational Support Initiative, is a testament to the power of partnership in addressing critical needs in our society. We are here to celebrate the spirit of giving, empowerment, and education. This event symbolizes our commitment to uplifting vulnerable members of our community and creating pathways to a brighter future. Allow me to highlight the key components of today's program. Critical support for 350 widows. The 100 FCT traders, widows and men. We are providing relief to those recent fight. We have 250, 270. So we've been talking of 250 days, 350, but it is now 370 because Princess Chetachi added 20 again this morning. Can you clap hands for that? So 270 widows of civilians, militaries, police, extending aid to widows who have faced immense challenges, recognizing their sacrifices and contributions. Scholarships to promote education and skill development. We have 10 primary school students to help them start their educational journey. 10 secondary school students to ensure they stay on track to complete their studies. We have 10 skill acquisition trainees to equip individuals with practical skills for economic self-reliance. Here in our midst, we have a young widow who is willing to go back to school. Special scholarship is given to her to empower her to return to school and achieve her dreams. The early Christmas giveaways, distribution of essential food items, wrappers, and other incentives to spread holiday cheer and provide much needed support during this festive season. Our shared vision. As part of NOGA's mission to promote literacy and lifelong learning, today's program not only addresses immediate needs but also lays a foundation for sustained empowerment through education and skill acquisition. Together with Princess Dr. Chetachi Nwoga Ecton and our esteemed partners, we are demonstrating the transformative power of collaboration. I wish to express my heartfelt gratitude to Princess Dr. Chetachi Nwoga Ecton for her unwavering dedication and generosity, which continue to inspire us. I also extend my appreciation to the leadership of the National Commission for Colleges of Education for generously providing this beautiful conference for today's event. To all our special guests, dignitaries, chief guests of honor, other participants, and all the beneficiaries, the media here today, your presence reinforces the importance of this initiative. Together, we are making a lasting impact and bringing hope to those who need it most. Thank you all for being part of this noble cause. Let us continue to work hand in hand to build a society where education and empowerment are accessible to all. Thank you and welcome.
It's all we can do. Let's give our president a sound round of applause. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. We appreciate you. We appreciate all the efforts and everything. All right, the time has come for us to listen to the story behind the glory, the testimony of our mother. And I have the honor and privilege to invite our mommy's chief of staff, another man of capacity, who is going to introduce her to do and to share her testimony. I want to have the honor and privilege to invite to the podium none other than the very capacity Dr. Benjamin. Please let's give him a round of applause.
If you are our great mother, I will expect you to do more. I want you to do more. Do more. If you are excited, do more. You get one noise where they always say, oh, I've been a how. I'm inviting people right here. Make I hear them again. Mother, the mother. Dr. Chetachi Nwoga. Mother, the mother. Dr. Chetachi Nwoga. Dr. Chetachi Nwoga. I am standing on existing protocol. Whenever I'm called upon to introduce my mother, Her Royal Majesty mission done in Owerri 2 years ago. Over 1,000 widows were beneficiaries by the same. Please put your hands together for her. I was now asking myself, does that mean that Google is aware of what is going to happen today? So if you are gathered here, this is just little compared to what she is going to do. So one more time, put your hands together for mommy. She is a capacity leader. She is a mother of hope, the Peter of our generation. She is a humanitarian with us. I can tell. She has the heart of gold, and I want you to know that this will not be the last time she will call you. Yes, I know my mother. This is not the last time she will call you. So now she is, as she always say, she don't have a label. She is an alien because she belongs to everybody. She is a Christian. She is a Muslim. She is from the north. She is from the west, and she's also from the south. So if you are here, if you are Yoruba, I present your sister. If you are Igbo, I present your sister. If you are Hausa, I present your sister. No matter which religion is, she is a capacity mother. And because of her Farm Dynasty. And that is not enough. The people of Chawe also said, no. We must also adopt her. And they gave her the Uwasoro of Chawe, which means the mother of the king of Chawe. And that is not enough. All the Igbos in Kaduna say enough is enough. Enough is enough. I will have the President General of the Igbo community of Kaduna seated right here in the person of Dr. Francis. They came and they said that she is going to be the Ada Ndiwaje Jemba one of Kaduna. That is her. That is her. That is not enough. The Igbo people say we not agree. And they called her and gave her a title known as a Ome Martin Yurugo one. And another part of the Igbo extra say we not agree. They also gave her Adure one of many kingdoms. Do you know what happened? The whole kings in Igbo State say instead of giving her birth to one after the other,